In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your support email in Freshdesk. Setting up a support email can be the backbone of your customer service operations, ensuring that all your inquiries and requests are managed effectively. Let's dive right in and get you started on this essential task. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Freshdesk account as an administrator. It's important you have admin access because only administrators have the necessary rights to configure these settings. Once you're logged in, head over to the admin section. You'll find admin in the main navigation bar. From there, navigate to channels and click on email. This path will lead you to where you can manage all of your email settings. Once you're on the email settings page, look for the option labeled New Support Email and click on it. This is where you begin setting up your dedicated support email address. Freshdesk allows for a variety of combinations when setting up your email, depending on what email service you prefer. For example, you might choose a popular option like Gmail. Select the combination that best suits your needs. At this point, you'll be prompted to log in with your existing email account credentials. This is necessary to authorize Freshdesk to access and manage emails on your behalf. Carefully provide your credentials and authorize access. This step is crucial as it's what allows Freshdesk to send and receive customer emails seamlessly. Now let's say you're interested in using a custom SMTP server for your outgoing emails. This is slightly more advanced, but it gives you control over your email delivery. Configuring a custom SMTP server involves entering your SMTP credentials into Freshdesk. This information can typically be found through your email provider or hosting service. Using a custom SMTP server can enhance your email deliverability and provide more detailed logs. After you've successfully authorized access or configured your custom SMTP settings, rest assured that your support email is all set up in Freshdesk. It's ready to start receiving incoming inquiries from your customers. But what if you want to use a global primary support email? You can do this by adding yet another support email. Return to admin, go to emails, and add an email that isn't directly linked to any specific product. Once it's added, you can set it as the primary email address by clicking on the star icon next to it. This will gear your Freshdesk system to treat that email as the primary point of contact for your support operations. By following these steps, you should now have a robust setup for handling all your customer support emails within Freshdesk. With your support email properly configured, you're now better equipped to provide timely and efficient customer service. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.